Hey everyone, Nitrex Gaming Live here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a banner free without Photoshop, and it looks like the one that I'm showing on the screen right now. So let's get into this. So you'll need to go into Pixlr, and then for your width, you want to go 2560 by 1440, and click on transparent, which I've already done. So next thing you want to do is get something like this. The link will be in the description because it'll tell you where the where like what the thing will see. So what you want to do is first put that image in by going to layer, open image URL, and then great. And so we have it here. Then you want to go to the text and put in some text like your name. So Nitrex Gaming Live. And then you want to choose your font. I'll be making one similar to the one I made for my YouTube. So yeah, I'll just use the same font because I recently tried to make this video and I realized that this font looks cleaner than the one I did previously. So yeah, that's that, and I made it white. Now remember, before you rasterize it, make sure it's what you want because you won't be able to change it after it's rasterized. Then go to Edit, Free Transform, and change it from there. Yes, and now you can change the text however you want. So I'm gonna go Layer Styles, Outer Glow, Black, Size, no, Hardness. Not a big opacity. Same for Inner Glow. I'm gonna go for the same. So opacity was 50. Hardness was 10. All the way up. And actually, no, that looks ugly. So we're just gonna stick with that. It looks clean, pretty clean. Next thing you wanna do is put in your social media stuff. So like your Twitch. Here you go for transparent. Is this transparent? Yeah, that's transparent. No, not share. Save. So hit a layer, open image as layer, get that image out, free transform it. You don't want it this big. I can tell you that. Why am I missing? Rotate it a bit so it looks a bit cleaner and cooler. So make sure it doesn't escape it, like escape where it's meant to be. Then you can put in your Twitch name, so Nitrex underscore gaming live. Choose your font. I'm gonna go for a Karmatica, okay? So where is it? This is quite hard as you can tell. There's Johnny Torch. Okay, I don't have Karmatica, okay, I'm just gonna go for Johnny Torch. Make that whatever color you want. I'm gonna go for red, italic. change the size up a bit. I don't want to rasterize it. Actually, I might want to rasterize it. Rasterize. Now I can change it up a bit. Let's make a drop shadow. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, now you want to get a gaming background like these, but make sure you don't get one that stands out too much like this. But you can get mine like one like mine. For this video, I'm gonna be using this one. So yeah. So layer, open image as layer, find that image, and edit the size with free transform. As you can see, that's a good size. Now what you need to do is bring it to the very bottom below. As you can see, we just made a banner with Pixlr. Now to save it, you can go up to File and Save, and then just save it. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video, and bye.